Hi friends, today I will discuss all about business incubators, the business incubation process and how exactly does it help innovators and startups. So what is in this picture? This is an incubator to keep a premature baby. This incubator is designed to provide a safe, controlled space for infants to live while their vital organs develop. This incubator provides an environment that can be adjusted to provide the ideal temperature as well as the perfect amount of oxygen and the light. Without this specifically controlled environment, many infants cannot survive, particularly those born a few months early. The phrase business incubator comes from this concept. A business incubator assists premature startups in all aspects so that when they graduate from the incubator, they can face the outside world boldly. So, when we identify a problem and develop an idea to solve that problem, we need a proper direction to develop our innovation from that idea. Innovation needs a supportive framework to make it available in the market. There is a series of processes to achieving this. An institutional support system is required to manage the innovation, that is business incubator. Business incubation is an important tool for fostering innovative enterprise creation and growth. The business incubators are thus a vital cog in the wheel of the ecosystem, bringing together finance, academics, policy, and business. When the said instrument of intervention is to promote technology innovation, they are referred to as technology business incubators or TBIs. So business incubators are bridging the gap between the R&D output and successful commercialization. Incubators are mostly commonly seen at universities or as a part of large corporates to foster new ideas to move the company forward. So incubation is a dynamic process of business development. Incubators nurture young firms, helping them to survive in their early stage. Innovators and early stage startup need incubation center because to get the ideal work-up environment for fostering innovation, to get mentorship in management skills and exposure to experts, to get office space at nominal rate, to get professional networking, to get access to investment opportunities, proper technical infrastructure like R&D support labs, IT tools, etc. To get service in a nominal charge like in legal, IP, IT, etc. So how to choose the right business incubator? It depends upon in which sector are you working in and if that matches with the thrust area of the incubator or not. Location of the incubator. What is your expectation from that incubator? USP of that incubator. Who is the management body? What are the services the particular incubator is offering? So before you choose your right business incubator, you must see all these things. So what are the types of incubator? It may be in academic institute or in corporates and a non-profit organization or NGO. In infrastructure wise, it may be physical incubator or virtual incubator. In focus wise, it may be sector specific or sector agnostic. In legal status, mostly it is non-for-profit, but in some cases, it is for-profit also. Business incubator provide facilities to nurture young startup firms during their early months or years. They usually provide affordable office space, shared office space and services, R&D labs, hands-on management training, marketing support, and access to some form of financing like prototype grants, seed funds, and connecting with the angel investor and VCs. Other common incubator services are as to assist the basic business, networking activities, marketing assistant, access to high-speed internet, help with accounting and financial management, access to bank loans, help with presentation skills, links to higher education resources, links to strategic partners, management team identification, technology commercialization assistant, help with regulatory compliances, intellectual property management, etc. So in this slide, you can see all the players in a business incubator ecosystem. It's like universities, R&D center, innovators, entrepreneur, e-sale, investor, government, both central and state government, mentor experts, industry and corporates, market, what this means, customers, NGOs. These are all ecosystem players of a business incubator. The process of incubation has three fundamental steps. First is pre-incubation, incubation, then post-incubation or graduation. So what is pre-incubation? Pre-incubation works with entrepreneurs who are in the very early stage of setting up their company. Usually, entrepreneurs come into such program with just an idea or a very early prototype of their product or service. Thus, in this step, help is to provide to entrepreneurs in the nascent stage. So what are the role of pre-incubation? Pre-incubation is mostly to offer the chance to test business ideas and gain business experience without actually forming a company. It supports only entrepreneurial projects and enterprise that are not yet registered. Pre-incubation involves the development of a risk mitigation strategy, which helps ensure success among the participants in their enterprises. So the fear of failure is significantly reduced as a result of improved self-confidence and experience gained during the pre-incubation stage. In the course of pre-incubation, participants are able to test their market for their products and services. This allows emerging entrepreneurs to gauge the feasibility of their business ideas before undertaking the risks of establishing their own company. After pre-incubation, proper agreement with the incubator takes place. The incubator now provides assistance in skill set training, business advice, mentoring, go-to-market strategy, seed fund support, connect to investor. After that, when the company graduates out from the incubator, the role of business incubator is still not finished. The business incubator must then do the following, like business and growth assessment, mentoring, networking support, business support, and other opportunities from time to time. So thank you, friends. In the next video, I will talk about the different funding opportunities for the startups through the business incubator.